In this video, I will explain how to create a shortcut on Snapchat to send a snap to certain people. First, open your Snapchat application. Take pictures with your camera at random. Click the Send to button in the lower right corner. Click on Create Shortcut. You can use a symbol to name this shortcut. Select some friends that you want to enter into this shortcut. After that, click Create Shortcut. As you can see, I've now managed to create a shortcut to make it easier for me to send snaps to specific people. To increase the number of shortcut members or delete shortcuts, follow this method. Click the Shortcut button. Click the arrow to edit the shortcut. Please select the friend you want to add. If you want to delete this shortcut, click the three dots icon, then select Delete Shortcut. Don't forget to watch my next video. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.